Talking conspiracy theories. Woo! So basically, I have a theory for the Weekly Fire series, which I can't find my book. Dang it. But basically, I have a theory that Darkstalker, one of the people in the book, if you haven't read any of the books yet, then you won't know who the heck I'm talking about, is going to do terrible things. Terrible, terrible things. Basically just mind wipe everyone into becoming his subject. Because he wants to become the first ever king in the storyline. In that world, in the storyline. And I lost the book, of course. I can't remember where I put it. Yay. Yay me. And basically, spoiler alert, if you haven't read any of the books yet, please, I do advise, if you haven't read the Darkstalker book, please stop watching the video now. But, spoiler alert, so, basically, he enchanted his own father to kill himself. Because, well, he enchanted his father to do whatever he says, and then he made him do some pretty terrible things and basically killed himself. And I think it was slitting his own throat and then cutting open his own belly, letting the guts fall out and blood everywhere, on a stage in front of a billion other dragons, Basically, yeah, that's what happened. And my theory is Darkstalker's a wolf in sheep's clothing. I mean, I know he's probably a good guy, but still, I believe he's a wolf in sheep's clothing. And that was Conspiracy Theories with Parrot. Soon to be probably walking, talking, turkey. Just kidding, probably just going to change my name to that one random turkey. Or something, Because I want to be a turkey for once. I'm just kidding. My friend called me a turkey the other day. I thought of changing my YouTuber name to that one turkey. That one turkey. So yeah, bye.